Well, good morning, folks. As you see, we are putting on another challenge here. As we come from Sandy Beach, where there's Cocoa Head Crater, and beyond that mountain is the one we went up the other day. So we are on the Kalani'aneole Highway, continuation of our route. And where are we going today? We're going to the Makapuu Light House. And up ahead, that hill is Makapuu. Now we're going to see if we can get up on that mountain. There is a lighthouse on the other side of that thing, and it's one of our most well-known trails. And we're going to see if we can ride up there. That was Kiawe tree right above us there, and I gingerly rode through there, hoping not to. I want to get out on the street here, on the road, when there's no cars, and get away from that side. All I can say, at least we do have a shoulder. I know that we're going to have a steep climb coming up pretty soon. I'm not afraid to use my assist now to help me out. I still get plenty of exercise. So I guess what I was trying to say is I'm not afraid to use the assist when I have to use it. I ride to see views and keep in shape. I don't have anything else to prove, guys. I've been riding for 65 years and I've done all the types of terrain and hills and climbs. So we're going to use a little assist to get up this hill here. I can ride so many more places now. I know there's a debate, but you know what, guys? I see more and more people converting, and that's because the benefit of being able to ride more, longer distances and time is just great. But when I can, I like to pump. I like to get my legs and my heart going. I don't necessarily need to build muscles, but when I used to climb this mountain or this hill before, I used gears. It's kind of the same thing here. And there's our climb. The Makapuu Light House Trail is the lighthouse parking lot, and in another hour or two it will be a zoo. Well, I'm not in my boost mode. I'm still in trail, and yeah, my legs are burning a little bit, but that's just perfect, just enough. 10 years I think was the last time I was here, and I used to ride up here. This was one of my main trails back when I lived in Kailua, and I probably rode my diamond frame bike up here 30-40 times. Let's take a little scenic tour here. Now, they wouldn't open the gates till 7, so I couldn't get the exact sunrise, but this isn't too shabby. Yeah. The other reason to get here early is, if possible, I'd love to fly the drone down this, but we'll see. We'll see how crowded it is. I shot a video in an old GoPro, like one of my first, and you know, since the last time I was here, I think 8 or 10 years ago, this road was not paved like this. It was much narrower. As I said, I shot this video on my GoPro, old GoPro. It was very jerky, very ugly, but it showed the road and showed how poorly it was paved. So this project is great. You know what the difference also? It's wider. When I looked at my video and I saw myself on a bike dodging people, well, other news is I came on a Saturday. It was very crowded. So we go to sea level, and right where our scenic point is, I think it's like 500 and the very top of the mountain is 600. And this, folks, is a favorite place from November to May for whale watching. Tons of whales come along here. Good to have binoculars if you're here. There's a trail also on the very bottom there that you can get down and walk along the lower cliffs. Super nice. Sunrise was at about 6:12. They opened the gates at 7, exactly when I got here. So I figured, well, if anything, I'll avoid a lot of the crowd. So I'm not going to stay up here too long. So I'm here on a Monday. As I said, I definitely want to avoid the weekend. It was really packed here yesterday. And it was a gorgeous day, which I think today is going to be too. So, oh, I'm so happy with the nice new paved road. Awesome. Awesome. Wow, it's very clear today. There's supposed to be an 8% grade on some of this over here. All right. So let's see how far I can get up here without abandoning the... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh. How far can I get up? This is it. This is where I gotta stop. Oh, look at what we're seeing here. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Holy cow. Isn't that something? Well, last week we rode one of the scenic routes, the best scenic route on Oahu. This might be the best scenic lookout from Oahu. That's Makapuu Beach down there, Sea Life Park. Along that coastline there, if you stay on that coastline and you go 36 miles, you'll end up at our starting point. So we are on the southeastern point on Oahu, looking north, looking almost due north. This is Rabbit Island here, and I can't remember the name of this guy here in front of us. And that turtle-shaped peninsula is called Kaneohe Marine Corps Air Station. The two little islands in front of that are the Mokoluas. Pretty amazing. Great sight here. I think we can get up a little bit higher. I'm leaving the trike there. We're gonna walk up a little here. I know it's not all trike, but come on. How many times are you gonna see this kind of view? All right. Anybody with a fear of heights? Getting back of line. Oh boy, look at that. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? That lighthouse is 111 years old. Almost as old as me. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro away and get out the other camera. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to get the other camera out. There's a rainbow over Waimanalo there. And on these steep cliffs, right above that little wharf over there, is a hang gliding jumping point. That's right, from the very top of those cliffs, they get that wind that comes up off the ocean, and it's quite amazing. All right. It wasn't very crowded this morning, so how about a different perspective as we ride down the mountain?
Do the monk seal? Do the monk seal squeal? Do the monk seal? Do the monk seal squeal? Let them live in the sea, changing tides just through reality. And I live in the ocean where the tides roll on by, in the deep blue water, far from human swimming with the dolphins in Makapuu Bay. I went swimming with the dolphins in Makapuu Bay. Swam right up, said to me, human do let the fishes be free. Humpback whale, listen to that humpback whale. Humpback whale, listen to that humpback whale. As he sounds, the cannons roar. Harpoon Harry has another story. It's all about two kids. We were both so young. How we needed love. It's in the songs we've sung. It's all about hurt and the scars of our past. How we look to each other to wipe away the shadows cast. Wipe away the pain. It's all about heartache, crying in your sleep when the hurt is so bad. Into my arms you lead, being there for you. It's all about love. It's all about the heart. It's all about the hopes we have and never fall apart. It's all about life, the hours in the days. It's all about dreams that never slip away. It's all about friends, how we understand when the times get tough, how we meet them hand in hand. And it's all about forgiveness for human side. And it's all about respect, having never lied. It's It's all about trust. It's all about love. It's all about the heart. It's all about the hopes we have. They never fall apart. It's all about life, the hours in the day. It's all about dreams, they never slip away. It's all about passion when I stare into your eyes, when I hold you in my arms underneath the starry sky.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the Makapuu Light House tour. It was a great ride. Next week we're heading off to Makapuu Beach and Waimanalo along the beautiful coastline. It's going to be a great one. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends about the channel. Anyway, you guys have a great week. Aloha.
The hours in the day, it's all about dreams that never slip away. It's all about love.